$300 million is a total that feels almost fake when you hear it attached to a website. Usually when a platform makes a claim that big, your internal alarm bells start ringing. I looked at a site called Freecash to see if those numbers actually meant anything for a regular person. They say they have paid out that massive sum to people just for doing stuff most of us already do for free. We are talking about testing out new apps. We are talking about getting to certain levels in mobile games. We are talking about filling out surveys. It sounds like a dream scenario where you get paid to slack off. But there is a lot of nuance behind how those rewards actually land in your pocket. The whole system works through a simple 3-step cycle. It starts with picking an offer. You might see a game that looks fun. You might see an app that seems useful. Some of these tasks are quick. They take just a few minutes of your life. Others are much more involved. They might take several days of consistent effort to finish. Once you hit the requirements, you get digital coins. Those coins are the key to everything. They convert into actual money or gift cards. You can send the funds to your digital wallet. You can grab a voucher for a major online retailer. One of the wildest claims they make is about the speed of that first payout. They suggest the average user can cash out for the first time in only 17 minutes. Think about what you usually do in 17 minutes. You might check your email. You might look at some photos online. Instead, you could be halfway to your first reward. They also point to thousands of dollars in total withdrawals happening every single day. This has given them a huge amount of traction on review sites. People seem to love the fact that the payouts are generally higher than what you find on older reward platforms. There are also daily bonuses that keep things interesting. It rewards you for staying active and coming back to check for new deals. However, we need to be realistic about the grind. You are not going to wake up tomorrow with a mountain of cash. You cannot just download one puzzle game and retire. The offers that promise hundreds of dollars are often quite difficult. They require you to reach advanced milestones. This takes a significant amount of time and focus. This is not a replacement for a career. It is a side hustle in the truest sense of the word. It is something to do when you have a spare moment between meetings. It is for when you are waiting for a bus or sitting on the train. If you expect to become wealthy overnight, you will be let down. But if you already spend time on your phone, it might make that time more productive. Turning dead time into a few dollars is where the real value lies. Would you rather see another meme or get a notification that you just earned enough for a coffee? The platform is built for people who want to optimize their downtime. It creates a competitive environment where your progress translates to something tangible. You see people sharing their success stories and showing off their rewards. This keeps the momentum going and gives you a reason to keep pushing. Just keep your expectations in check. Your time is your most valuable asset. Using it wisely is the only way to come out ahead in the long run. If you find yourself with 20 minutes to kill today, think about how you want to use them.